Hi, I'm Joe from Night ATV, and this is our Brute Force Prairie Fender speaker kit. I want to give you a brief overview on the installation. So the way that these get installed, if you have the Fender that has the pocket on it, you're going to need to purchase this one that does not have the pocket on it, or cut the pocket off. The part number for this is listed in our description. Once you have this on here, you're going to take this whole Fender, this whole speaker kit, it comes with the speaker pre-installed, and put it in this location. Line up these two holes down here and then drill 2 holes in the top for the top screws. Don't bolt it on yet though. After you do that, you're going to take it off and notice where the wires are when you're looking inside the back of the speaker. They're going to be around the bottom side of the speaker itself. So you're going to drill a hole through the plastic for the wires to come out in that location. Then you're going to push those wires through the hole, and then you can bolt this on. After you do that, you're going to take your amplifier, you're going to connect the wires from the switch and the speaker to the amplifier. Then you're going to find a spot underneath the Fender to mount the amp. I mounted mine here, right here, up in this panel here, just using 2 screws. It's extremely secure, it's not going anywhere. Next, you're going to take the wires that are connected to this amp that belong for the other speaker. You'll have the LED wire if you purchase it with LEDs, and definitely the speaker that runs the right speaker, the wire that runs the right speaker. Run those wires underneath the fenders. Make sure you stay clear of any moving parts like the steering column and any hot parts like the exhaust. Get them over to the other side. Once you're over here, you're going to do the same thing you did on the other side. Line up these 2 bolt holes, drill 2 holes up here, and then drill 1 hole in the center. Push the wires through that hole that you just brought in from the other side, connect them to the speaker, and then you can bolt the speaker down on this side. The last thing you're going to do is take the red and black wire from the amplifier over there, and then run it behind your plastics and connect it to your battery, whether your battery is here or back here under your seat on the Brute Force. Then you're done. The red wire goes to positive, black wire goes to negative. You got that hooked up. You can turn the speakers on. The LEDs will come on right away if everything is hooked up correctly. Then you'll go on your phone. You can find Bluetooth, and after you find that, you got a friend in me. You can put some music on. Now you know it works. Secure all of your wires with some cable ties. Keep them out of the way of any moving parts or any hot parts, and you're ready to go. That's all there is to it.